Ever wondered how long it takes for Ooma to activate? You're not alone. Imagine this. You've just purchased a brand new Ooma device, eager to experience the benefits of crystal-clear voice calls and affordable long-distance rates. You've unboxed it, plugged it in, and now you're sitting there, anxiously waiting for it to come to life. But how long does it typically take? In this video, we'll dive into the Ooma activation process and provide you with a realistic timeline. We'll also discuss factors that can influence activation time and offer some tips to ensure a smooth experience. Understanding Ooma activation. Before we delve into the specifics, let's clarify what Ooma activation entails. Essentially, it's the process of connecting your device to the Ooma network and configuring it to work with your home phone line. This involves a series of steps, including registering your account, entering your phone number, and verifying your identity. Typical activation timelines. Self-activation. If you're comfortable with technology and prefer to handle the activation process yourself, you can expect it to take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. However, keep in mind that factors like network congestion and your internet connection speed can influence the time it takes. Professional installation. If you're not confident in your technical abilities or prefer a hands-off approach, you can opt for professional installation. In this case, the activation process might take a bit longer, typically around 45 minutes to an hour. Factors affecting activation time. Several factors can influence how long it takes for Ooma to activate. Network congestion. During peak usage times, the Ooma network may experience higher traffic, leading to slightly longer activation times. Internet connection speed. A slower internet connection can impact the speed at which your device communicates with the Ooma network. Account verification. If Ooma needs to verify your identity or address, it may add a few minutes to the activation process. Technical difficulties. In rare cases, technical issues can arise, causing delays in activation. Tips for a smooth activation. To ensure a seamless activation experience, consider the following tips. Have your information ready. Before starting the activation process, gather your Ooma device information, phone number, and account details. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. Follow the instructions carefully. Pay close attention to the on-screen prompts and follow the instructions step by step. Contact Ooma support if needed. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Ooma's customer support team for assistance. Additional considerations. Ooma Premier. If you're an Ooma Premier subscriber, you may have access to additional features or priority support, which can potentially expedite the activation process. Troubleshooting tips. If you're experiencing activation issues, try restarting your device, checking your internet connection, or contacting Ooma support for troubleshooting guidance. In conclusion, the activation time for Ooma can vary depending on several factors. While self-activation is typically quicker, professional installation may be a better option for those who prefer a hands-off approach. By following the tips we've discussed and being prepared with the necessary information, you can help ensure a smooth and efficient activation process. So, there you have it. Now you know what to expect when activating your Ooma device. Remember, the activation time can vary, but by following the guidelines and being patient, you'll be up and running in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.